I have produced a 5-minute short film. Along with this, I've also created a film poster and written a review which work together to form the production project. I have included many conventions in my ancillary tasks that are seen in existing products. My short film and both my review and film poster share many similarities to link them together. For example, they have the same title and theme according to the genre, and they focus on the protagonist. The film and the poster also share the same font and the tagline, Think Twice, is presented visually on the poster, but is one of the morals throughout the film. The review uses a screenshotted image from the film, so it therefore has all the amazing scenes that the film has too, including the location, props and lighting. The poster includes a quote that was taken from the review, inspired by Empire magazine. This again shows a link between the two texts. The poster focuses solely on the protagonist. It's been kept very simple looking and draws attention to the character. With the title and tagline, the aim was to get the audience asking questions about it while not giving too much away. The title suggests wishes. There is no visual evidence of any wishes, which was purposely done to draw the audience in. The only product that actually produces any wishes is the short film itself. The poster also provides the audience with significant information such as the website and director, which can also be found on the review, and there is similar information also in the credits. The poster was designed for 13 to 17-year-old girls. This is why I chose to keep it minimalistic. Typically, other films which have targeted my target audience have done the same. Take Wild Child, for example. It has also used a white background and has a protagonist taking centre stage. However, as this is a full-length film, it does give away a little more than I chose to in my poster. I noticed that there was genre iconography and copied this with mine, using a star instead of the title on the eye. The film review analyses many features taken from the film, focusing on the narrative and cast to not give the film's plot away, but to also give the reader an unbiased insight into the film. It also briefly looks upon the technical aspects to allow a film-savvy reader to get the best understanding. After introducing the brief idea of the plot, the review begins to continue to compare the short film to other work from similar products or previous work of the director. However, the focus was very much the role of the actor played and the narrative's main emphasis. I saw this in both detailed analysis of the reviews for Alice Through the Looking Glass and the BFG. The character on the poster and review is of a similar age to the target audience. She is also of the targeted gender. This means that it will be easier for them to relate to her. The pace of the film stays with these themes and is easy for the audience to follow. My film will be viewed online off the prosumer upload sites such as Vimeo or YouTube, where any short filmmaker can upload. It may also be featured online in such places as Virgin Shorts or Short of the Week. It may be also shown at festivals such as Sundance or London Film Festival, where it could be shown to an audience who already have an interest in short films. If my film will prove to be popular, it could even appear in the cinema or on-demand services such as Channel 4 or Virgin Media. The review would appear in Empire magazine, a magazine where film enthusiasts subscribe to pay and read about new films. This means that it is targeting an even more specific audience, the ones who are more interested in technology and cast. It is used as advertising to the people most likely to go out and watch the film, as it includes a good rating and lots of positives. I've used the Empire layout, conforming to the conventions of a printed review. However, it could also be seen online thanks to new advances in technologies. It could even be shared on their social media. Most short films usually wouldn't have a film poster, so it is likely to be seen at a film festival or online. It can be seen and shared online by film magazine companies or social media, where it can be easily accessed by target audience members.